for another video tutorial. For this video, we are going to explore the use of the GridView builder so that we can have multiple column grids like this. Okay, so let's go from here. So I'm going to open this as my reference, and then I'm going to investigate my existing item here. As you can see that what we need to do is we're just gonna have to go to line number 16 here, and previously this one is to support a single list view item in the vertical manner. Now I want to have two columns, okay, for the list in the grid direction. So now I can just replace the list view with the grid view. Now this is not the finish yet, because when I did this, then I save it, it's gonna show many other messages. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and add more sections here. It's called grid delegate. So go ahead and over here I can put grid delegate and put zero grid delegate with it's going to be fixed cost access count. Okay, it's going to be fixed cost access count constructor here, and this one can take parameter for cost access count. So in this case I want two columns, so I put 2, then cost access spacing, then I put 10. Okay, and also now I can put main access spacing for 10 as well. Alright, so now when I save for this, hopefully we should see, as you can see, no more error messages, but it's gonna look like this. Okay, so the list will look like this. As you can see, it doesn't look nice, right? It doesn't look nice because it doesn't show picture in the clear views, and now you can see that the name got clipped because of the width. Now if you go further here, you can show just a picture. Okay, just a picture. So now I'm going to modify this into just a picture first, and then we're gonna put the text back so that we have the outlook that look like this. So we're gonna go step by step. So first, from here, we're gonna transform this into just showing a picture for each item here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and come back to my code. As you can see, the one that show each item now is accompanied by the use of the row. I'm just gonna take it off all of this, and I'm going to introduce the new structure of the layout that is called stack. Stack is just like when you have multiple pictures that lay down from top to the bottom. So the one that lay down first will go to the bottom, and the one that lay down last will go to the top. And you can see that this image, if you put it on the 3 transparency, is going to be on top of each other. Okay, so that's the concept, and that concept is make it possible by the use of the stack. So this is the stack widgets here, just the layout. And now in here you're gonna need to put students. Okay, students just like lower column. Now in students, the first thing I want to use is to put the image. But here is the problem. I want to put the picture. I want to put a picture that it, stick to the top left or the top right, or the bottom left or the bottom right. Now the way to specify that position is by the use of the position widgets. So we're gonna say add a position widgets here. Okay, so what I need to do is just put widgets position. Now is the object, so let's put it this way, and it have the name parameter child that can take the picture. Now when it take the picture, the image, okay, we can load up the image by using image.asset like what we did, and then you can use list one of index, then .pick. Alright, now the next information that we have to specify is where is the location that you want to put. When you say top equal to 0, that means the picture will go to the top left like this. Okay, so go ahead and put save. I'm gonna need to put comma here as well for separations. And one thing is that this one return the stack, so I have to put semicolon as well. Alright, now save it, and I should see this in actions. As you can see now that I got the picture that look like this. Okay, scrollable picture for each item. Now the problem is that because this one is stick to the left top, but it doesn't show all the picture here. Now if you look at the picture for food one, as you can see now that this one shows just part of it, doesn't show everything in here. Now to fix this, okay, you're gonna have to introduce, instead of using position, we use position that dot fill. Now let's go ahead and comparing this without fill and with fill. So here I'm going to put dot fill as the constructor here, and when I save it, as you can see now that we got the whole picture back in. Alright, so now in this video tutorial I have shown you how to work with the grid views, and also show you how to use the stack layout with the position widget as well. So in the next video tutorial, we are going to come back, and then instead of using this position field, okay, we have a better way of handling this. Okay, so we are going to go over things that look like this. Okay, so instead of using this directly, we are going to go with this structure. I'll see you there in the next video tutorial. Thank you.